Hello folks, I'm Ellie Little and this is today's short take. If you're looking for a safer long-term bet, these currencies still offer a lot of opportunity in my opinion. If we're looking at the euro, for example, the euro consolidated up in this area for quite a long time. I mean, this is, I'm on a monthly chart here. We're talking about 3.5, 4 years. This is the breakdown, right? You get, especially when you break here at about 120, 120, 119, 120. This breakdown, led to a good leg down. You get a little bounce off of it, and that bounce is fairly significant. What is that? $8 on 100. So you're talking about a decent move back up. On the monthly chart, it doesn't look like that much, but it was. And you're consolidating, right? You're consolidating in this area here. At some point, this is most likely going to continue down, and when it does, right, it's going to put huge pressure on certain aspects of the equity markets. For example, it's going to make the dollar stronger, which is going to hurt the American earnings in the large cap companies, and it's going to make European stocks look cheap. Those are after effects. If you want to play the direct effect, you just get on the euro and you short it. So in other words, anytime it bounces up, right, wherever it bounces to, and we're talking about long term here now, you just simply short it and you short into it for a long term trade. You pull it in, look at it on a weekly, you can see that bounce there. Now it's rolling back over. It's going to test these lows again. Most likely this big bar, it's coming into it now. It's 107.03. We're trading at 107.52, so that's the test. You get into that bar, you're going to get to the bottom of it, 1392. So if you're short-term trader, you're looking at that. If you're long-term trader, you're just simply trying to get short this and stay short. Here it is on the daily chart. If you think about what instrument you can use to trade this thing, of course, you could just trade the Forex, or if you're wanting to trade from a stock/ETF type perspective, the EUO is a double of that particular short. It's an easy way to get short. There it is on the daily. Here's the weekly, and of course the monthly. So the trade long term is to short the euro. Exactly where you get in, how you get in, how you stay in, it's kind of your business, right? That's your trading plan. First thing on anybody's trading plan, though, is to figure out the direction and to figure out if it's going to continue. This does look to continue, so that's where I would be looking. That is today's short take.